guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing of the January Boxycharm versus Boxycharm Premium plus December Boxyluxe. This is so confusing, but let's have a little chat right here. So it's December and I'm waiting for my Boxyluxe to come in, and it's like it got shipped. I think I remember the exact date. I'm pretty sure it was December 6th. Maybe it was the 7th, but it was definitely in the single digits. And it came around to the time I was gonna move. I moved on December 20... when was it? 27th? I'm pretty sure. No, 28th. I moved on December 28th. That's when I left San Diego and I started driving over to Virginia, and they still hadn't delivered my Boxyluxe. Actually, when I had looked at the tracking, it said that they had delivered it on December, I think it was December 26th. And I have to say that they did not deliver it because I had movers there and they would have seen a package on my front door and they would have known that they didn't pack that and that like not to put it in the moving truck. The movers did not see anything and it was not delivered. Like, it was literally not there and nobody stole it either. So I don't really know what happened with that, but I'm really upset. And then I had to email Boxycharm and be like, I need a replacement, but you know, you only get one replacement a year. So if another box of mine gets lost or anything is damaged, I'm screwed and I can't get my money back or I can't get a replacement. So that's really upsetting. But I did just want to unbox everything in one video and just kind of show you what I got. I'm actually really happy with everything I got in Boxyluxe, so I'm like really glad that I waited it out. But yeah, before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so here I've got all three boxes. This is crazy. So I'm gonna be starting with the base box for January. The theme for this month is breaking the ice. So here we got three things that I'm gonna be able to use at one point. We got the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette, and I'm so excited to be able to use this on my eyes today. My friend here on YouTube, Ariana from Twisted Glam, she raves about these Ace Beauty eyeshadows, and she's been trying to get me to buy them for the longest time. So I'm super excited that it came in this box. This is $34.99 and it comes with 12 eyeshadows. I like that it's really small. I like the packaging. I like the gold. It's really pretty. And yeah, oh my gosh, these colors are right up my alley. I'm in love with these colors. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them later on when I'm about to use them. I have no idea what kind of look I'm gonna go for though, but I'm pretty excited about this. A couple things that I can't use from this box, and this is the Skin & Co. Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Face gommage it's just another word for scrub. This is $28. Pretty excited. I love getting new skincare. I'm so excited to try this out. Next we have the Avant 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. Oh, another sleeping mask. I love sleeping masks so much. So this one runs for $107. $107. The 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. If you guys want me to do an actual test of this and show you my skin before and after using it for a while, let me know and I'll do it. I wonder how often you use it. And it doesn't really say how often you should use it. $107 for this little thing. It comes with 1.69 fluid ounces. That's not a lot. That is insane, guys. Then we've got two more products. The first is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer, which we got a sample for a couple months ago, I believe. This one's for $25, and this is in the shade 60, Little White Lies, I think. And then we've got the Manicadar Beauty Lip Whip, and this is a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. This is $21. It looks like a bullet lipstick, as you can see, but I'm pretty sure it's a liquid lip. Yeah. Oh, this is a nice, it's a very, very small applicator though. I thought it was gonna be bigger. It's a nice color though. Sorry if you hear the dogs. That is a nice neutral everyday color. So that's it for the base box for January. The value of this base box is $215.99. That is insane. That's probably the highest value I've ever gotten in any of my boxes before. Let's move on to the premium box. Pretty excited for this one. This is my first time ever getting premium. Oh, I already see something that I'm gonna use first. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, the first thing I see and the first thing I'm gonna use is the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. I've been dying to try this. Oh my god. So this is $54 and it's a hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow. With hyaluronic acid to plump and improve appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it can be used as a hydrating skincare serum or as a radiance boosting primer before makeup. I love serums. I use them every single day, so I'm going to be using this as a serum. I don't really like hydrating primers all that much, even though my skin is dry. I tend to go for more of a smoothing primer because I do have large pores, so this would not work for me as a primer. I am so excited to try that. I cannot even tell you. So the next thing I see here is the Laneige. I've never known how to pronounce this. This is the Mousse Moisturizer. I'm excited to try this. I want to try this as well. This is $29. Blended to perfection with nutrient-rich deep sea water and polyphenols from lychee peel extract. I don't know how to pronounce things. I'm sorry. This moisturizer quickly whips into action to deliver instant soothing relief to visibly stressed skin, and the non-sticky mousse formula makes it ideal for all skin types. I want to try this out. Something else I'm going to try today, which is why I don't have my brows done because I kind of knew this was in here, is the Billion Dollar Brows Best Sellers Kit. This is $42. That's a pretty good deal. Pretty excited for this. I love trying new brow products. Then we've got the Luxe Beauty Eyeliner Trio. Never heard of that brand. This is the perfect trio, a mix of your 3 must-have liners in bronze, nude, and black. Oh, cool. So it comes in different colors. Now we have 2 brands that I'm not exactly in love with, so this is great. We have the Kat Von D Lolita eyeshadow. I love this color in her liquid lipstick formula. This is so funny because yesterday was the day that she came out and said she was stepping back from the brand, and it's actually going to be owned by Kendo now. What do you guys think about that, by the way? Are you going to be purchasing from the new KVD Vegan Beauty, or are you still boycotting it? Yeah, this is just a single shadow. Not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of single shadows. I kind of like lose them. I'd rather have all of my shadows in a palette just so that I can easily see what's like available to me. And then the last thing in this box, again, I'm not a fan of this brand. This is Too Faced. We all know the drama that went down with Too Faced this week when Nicki posted her video. If you don't know about it, just search on Twitter. Trust me, it'll pop up. But this is the Palm Springs Dream Cocktail Party eyeshadow palette. This runs for $45. And I mean, looking at the back, it's definitely shades that I like. So they're pretty bright colors. There's an orange, a yellow, a blue, a pink. All right, that's it for the premium. So we've got $244 as a value for the premium box. That is actually not that much more than the base box, which is interesting. And now I'm gonna quickly go through what I got in the December Boxyluxe. The theme from this one was whimsy. So the first thing I see here is the Ritual of Sakura Sensational Foaming Shower Gel, featuring the renewing scent of cherry blossom. Oh, I love cherry blossom, and organic rice milk. It uses a unique technology to transform the gel into a silky, soft, cleansing foam. This is $9.50. Oh, look, I see another Kat Von D. This is the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. This is $20. Is this a liquid liner? Because if so, I kind of need a new liquid liner. The other ones I have are dried out. Oh, this is a liquid liner. Ooh, I might use this today. We'll see. Okay, I'm pretty excited for this one. This is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This is $48. I've tried this before and I love it. I've had samples of it, but I've never ever bought the full size. So I'm pretty excited to have the full size of this, and I can't wait to use it. It's a full size. It's actually like a full size. That's pretty exciting. Like, I love this. We've got the QMS Lip Line Corrector. This is formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. This high performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. All right, then we've got the In Beauty Power Up Dual Face Setting Face Mist. Helps even the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness. This is $32 and set makeup and energize skin. So I'm going to use this as a setting spray at the end and see how I like it. I'm very picky about my setting spray, so this will be interesting. Then we got the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. This is an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture. This is $39. I really do want to try the Mousse Moisturizer from Laneige. I would be trying this another time and I will update you guys on whether I like it or not. Then we've got the Ciate Confetti Highlighter. So this is $32. Ooh, but is this too dark for me? That sucks. I kind of wanted it. We've got the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss. And this is $21. This is in the shade Crazy Rich. And oh wow, this is actually really pretty. And then the last thing in this box is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose palette. I've never tried anything from Storybook Cosmetics, so this is $55. The packaging is cute and all, but this is like so bulky. I don't have a place to put this now, and this is annoying, but it's really cute. But like again, it's like super blocky and annoying. Wow, that color is intriguing me, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that. Wow, that is pretty. Then we've got this. Wow, that's pretty. I'm just gonna swatch a few. Oh, wow. These are all so pretty. Look at that. The lip corrector is $200. That has to be a mistake. What? $456. You know what? I'm gonna Google that QMS lip line corrector thing. It's actually $200. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Farsali liquid glass serum first. I'm gonna use this as a serum. So I'm so excited because I've been wanting this. Oh my gosh. It smells a bit like bubblegum. Why does it smell like bubblegum? Oh my gosh, but it feels so hydrating. I'm gonna go ahead and let that soak into my skin for like 10 minutes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Laneige Mousse Moisturizer. So I'm really excited to see, because I've never tried like a mousse moisturizer. It sounds pretty interesting. I don't know if you guys can see. Wow. I feel like I already put too much. So from the center of the face outward. Yep, way too much. I really like it. All right, while it soaks in though, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows with this Billion Dollar Brows Best Brow Kit. So this is a universal brow pencil. I really like the spoolie already. Wow. It's like a really nice, strong spoolie. I normally don't like pencils on my brow anymore, but we're gonna go with it. Let's swatch it first. So it actually looks like it would be a perfect match for me. What I should do is do the soap brow and see how it does with the soap brow, but it's too late. So I really like the point on it, but I'm wondering how I'm gonna like it when the point disappears, because it's a retractable pencil and you can't sharpen it again. And usually retractable pencils get flat at the end instead of having that point anymore. So that sucks, but I like the point and it feels really like gel based and it glides really easily. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this brow pencil. I'm impressed. What I am intrigued about though is this brush, because it seems like it's gonna be a very good brush to put concealer under the eyebrow, on the brow bone, to clean up the brows. And I go ahead and use my Too Faced concealer for that because I'm trying to get rid of it. And I mix a little bit of my P. Louise base just to get a nice base on my eyes. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is the perfect brush to get right up under the brow. I've been looking for something like this. I am so happy. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use the clear brow gel. I normally don't use a brow gel, but I wanna see how this one like really makes my brows look and feel. Oh, I like the brush. It's combing them through really nicely. It feels like they're gonna stay in place like all day. This kit is amazing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes, and I'm gonna be using the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. I love the color story. I chose this palette. This was like an option for me to choose, and I chose this palette because the other one was really neutral for me, and I like the bright colors. I'm just a bright person. That's just the way it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches so you guys can see how all the colors perform and so I can get an idea of what I want to do. We've got Sun, Daybreak. Ooh, I love a good yellow. Beautiful. Horizon and Gleam. This is the first row. Then we've got Grand Canyon. Hours. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Pyramid. Fade. Those are beautiful. Then we've got the last row, Serengeti. I love that. Cactus, Sky, and Dew. The first shade I'm gonna take is Pyramid, and it's this like reddish brown shade, and I'm gonna take that in the crease. Wow, I really like how pigmented this shadow is. All right, so now I'm gonna take the shade Horizon, and that's just gonna go right over top. Okay, next I'm gonna take the yellow, which is called Daybreak, and I'm just going to blend that over top the orange. Moving on, I'm gonna take the shade Sky now and put that all over the lid. I love the way these shades blend together. I am obsessed. So now let's add some Dew. Yep, I'm gonna have to use my finger. I just have to blend out the edges when I'm done, but it's so pretty. Okay, I really like it. I'm obsessed with how these eyes turned out. This is not what I was expecting to do at all, but I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this QMS lip line corrector, but I should have done this before with possibly like with the moisturizer. But I believe what you're supposed to do, there's not very clear directions, is just put it like on top of your lips like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. This is a buildable, medium coverage, natural flawless finish concealer. So let's see. I usually like more full coverage, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna like this, but hopefully the color's good. Oh, I like the wand. It's a little twisted, which is good. It gives like a really nice like way to put it under the eye. Definitely does feel like a gel formula like it states. And I'm gonna blend it out using my Juno & Co microfiber sponge, my favorite. It did cover my under eye circles pretty well, but I still see some peeking through. Let's try one more layer. I like how like dewy it looks actually. It looks really like nice. It does give like a natural finish. And now I'm gonna go ahead and set with the Hourglass Veil setting powder. I don't know, some of it I feel like went away. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line now. I'm now going to try the Sant Luxe eyeliner trio. This one comes with 3. I'm gonna swatch them so you guys can see. They're made out of wood. That was the black. This is the Sant Bronze, and then this is the Sant Nude. I'm not a huge fan of the wood liners, but I'm gonna try it anyway. I believe that these aren't gonna be as creamy as I like them usually, so whatever. We'll see if I like them. Okay, and now it's time for the setting spray. This is the Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. It helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. Oh my gosh, that gave me such a nostalgic, like, it was such a nostalgic scent. I don't like the mist all that much. I mean, I hated it at first and then it got better, but I still don't really like it all that much. I don't know, I'm so picky about the mist. And before I forget, let me do my inner corner. I'm gonna use this yellow. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on this liquid lipstick, or this is a lip whip in the color Faith. Other than that, I'm pretty much done. I think I got a great value in all of my Boxycharms. The Boxycharm base box for January, the premium, and even the Boxyluxe, even though it came late and that whole situation pissed me off. I'm really loving the look I came up with the eyeshadow palette for sure. I definitely want to play around with it a little more and use the different colors. I'm really excited about it. I love the eyeshadow formula so far, and yes, Ariana, you were right. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.